Hey there, Matt from Second City Prints here at M&R to discuss underexposed screens and how to tell. So today we took a screen and purposefully underexposed it. So a couple sure ways to tell if you're underexposed is the obvious answer, right? If you look at the detailed areas, we can see we actually lost a lot of detail and it broke down. That's the easy way to catch it. Oftentimes it won't be that blatant or available to be noticed. So the other way we found it is over here in this little area, it looks a little bit lighter and more transparent. That's very common for what you see in a mildly underexposed screen. When we actually used the pressure washer to rinse this out, it broke down. I took my finger and aggressively scrubbed it, and it broke down even more, becoming more transparent and had some phase separation, which meant it got slimy to the touch. That was the underexposed or partially exposed emulsion breaking down from moisture and pressure. If we were to take this screen and go print with it, we would find after maybe only a dozen prints, it'll start to get pressure lines and break down, and ink will start going through we don't want to go to, and any of the fine detail will start to print through and we'll lose edge definition. So if you're having that happen on press, chances are you're underexposed. So in comparison, a properly exposed screen should look a little more like this. So this one here, we can see we held all the definition and detail. We don't have any discoloration showing phase separation. And when I did rinse this out, I did aggressively scrub in one area with my finger. It did not break down. I did not get any slimy feel, and we don't see any adjustment to the coverage there. So this screen will be good and it will not break down on press. If you have any issues with the breakage, you're going to have to work with your supplier for your emulsion to figure out your proper exposure times. You can go to your exposure unit and you can just up the exposure time in small increments and get to where you need to be. But there is science behind it. Working with your distributor will help you get exposure calculator to get a little more accurate. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Great, thanks, and happy printing.